Hello friends, in the previous series of my illegal adventures in the Chernobyl Exclusion Zone, I showed how the first day of the journey went and how we visited the island of the third stage of the construction of nuclear power plant. We looked at the two main objects of the island, the unfinished cooling towers and the unfinished 5 power unit. Then they made a halt to wait for darkness and head towards Pripyat. After a long journey we spent the night in our house near Pripyat and in the morning set off towards Pripyat. Before reaching the city we found a house where there was a stalkers lair. Then we went to the Jupiter plant, which amazed us with its scale. We managed to find boot covers and we are ready to descend into the secret flooded laboratory. Will you wait on the other side? What are you saying? Be careful. Look, the gas mask lies. Let's go see what's here. It's already interesting. It's already real. Underground laboratory from the game Stalker. Creepy place. Exactly the same blue boxes are in the game in underground laboratories. Now it is clear what inspired the developers of the game. It's really creepy in here. The developers managed to convey this atmosphere in the first part of the game. Let's see what happens in the second. The beaver tells me to be careful, you can fail here. What are these gas masks? Are they liquidators or just lying around? They just lie there, Beaver says. This bunker is more atmospheric than the 5 power unit. Beaver disagrees with me, he liked the 5 power unit more. He's also cool, of course, but not as creepy. One 100% of the laboratories in the game were copied from this bunker. The similarity is 1-to-1. soil samples. Also a test, but it is not clear what exactly. Everything what was infected was examined here. Empty? Yes, it's empty. Is this the same room? What's the sound? Do you hear? The sound is coming from here. Do you hear? And there it is. Water hits the bottle and it knocks on the door. I'm not going to climb there. I'll look from here. There are some flasks there. Apparently the results of the research were stored here. See what box is entourage. Wait, I'll take a photo. Awesome. There seems to be nothing interesting. Let's move on. Look, the color of the water has changed. It is black. Look, here the depth is less. I wonder what made her so black. Wait, I'll go into this room. There are also some flasks, a kettle. Let's see. Yes, some flasks. Maximum creepy place. Beaver, do you have a dosimeter with you? No. What kind of radiation do you know? It should be normal here, says Beaver. It would be interesting to measure. Not that I am afraid of radiation, but you should have taken a dosimeter. There are also some flasks. I'll try to get through. The water is getting clearer. Linoleum in water. And this seems to be a boiler room where the water was heated. There is already a ladder up there, and that is left there. Nothing, there was only one room left, says Beaver. Okay, let's go. I can already hear our guys. Carefully, look under your feet. This is the most atmospheric and creepy place. I was very impressed. This basement is famous for containing the most radioactive box in the entire zone. Ordinary dosimeters go off scale next to him. This time we did not find it, but in the future I will return here and tell you more about it. Came out of the basement. And so, the stalkers. They could at least come up and say hello. It's good that these are stalkers, not the police. The guys say that if the police saw the stalkers somewhere, when they can come to the factory to look for them. So we need to get away from here as soon as possible. Oh, cool, spacious office. The plant, secretly from the public, was engaged in the development of robotic technology. The stalkers that we saw went into the forest. It's time for us to leave too.